We are giving those soon-to-be ripe peaches a little pizzazz, going beyond the basic cobbler or pie with a dessert that scores absolute peach perfection. Tami Steggell is joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe for peach trifle. Hello.
Hello.
Listen, peach season, kind of my favorite. Brigham City girl.
Oh my gosh,
speaking.
I love peaches.
And we're not quite there, but this is going to get us excited for it.
That's true. It's not quite peach season, but we're getting ready. This is a super simple dessert that comes together in 25 minutes max. So it just includes pound cake, and we go ahead and layer it. This is a trifle dish, but if you don't have one, just use a glass dish because you want to be able to see what you have going on.
Can I ask you, what's your secret before we get into the layering for picking out the perfect peach?
So what you want to do is give it a gentle squeeze. It should yield slightly, but not too much.
Okay.
If it's firm, you could put it in a paper bag for one day and help them ripen a little bit quicker.
A paper bag just to seal in the air a little bit?
Yeah, and to let them like develop a little bit more. But in just a few weeks, peach season is like mid to late August through September. Right. And so just a few weeks, every peach will be perfect. Yeah,
there won't be the need to scrutinize or to wonder. Is there a type of peach you're using for this recipe?
I like the orange peach just because it's beautiful, but I mean, white peaches are delicious. I brought some donut peaches for you to see that those are available too.
Cute.
So
the donut peach, that's kind of new to the scene.
It's a white squishy peach that's a donut shape, but it's delicious.
Not as commonly seen, I think, as the others.
You can find it at your fruit stand.
All right, take us through this recipe, Tami. I'm so excited to learn.
Okay, I'm going to use my hands.
Yeah, your best kitchen tool, right?
This is pound cake. Now, if you feel ambitious, you can make pound cake at home and then get it all cut up. And what you do after that is you just grab these peaches, which have been macerated, and macerated just means that they're soaking in sugar and lemon juice, and then I put a little bit of cinnamon in, and it brings all the juices out, and those juices soak into the pound cake.
How long do you let that sit in the fridge, I assume?
And then after it's all assembled, if you have time, you let it sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Okay. And then...
But you don't need to let the peaches soak.
You soak the peaches for 20 minutes, and that will bring all of those juices out.
Got it.
So it's just a really simple, super pretty dessert and really tasty after all of the pound cake has soaked up the juices from the peaches. And then it's a cool, chilled refrigerator trifle that you can take out and have it at your backyard barbecue. Yeah. And it's just fun.
Well, I think the best peach recipes, honestly, honor simplicity because the peach can be the star. And so this seems like one of those where it's very simple in taste and palate, but is going to be that winner.
Yeah, I think the peach should always be the star of the show. My favorite way to eat a peach is just eat the peach.
Eat the peach, sister. I love it. And your fresh whipped cream is the perfect complement.
Yes. So just whip your cream for and see all those juices will soak in. Yum. Just whip your cream for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it'll be the perfect texture.
Okay. My producer told me to ask about peeling and pitting. Do you have any tips for?
So one thing that I do is the peach has like a natural line. I cut opposite of that line, and then I give it a little twist.
So like
and it'll
horizontally?
No. Like, I'll show you right here if you want to grab one.
You bet.
So here is the line of the peach.
Right.
I cut opposite of the line, and then I just give it a twist, and the seed just pops out.
Okay, nice. Nice, Tami, thank you so much. This recipe, just one of the many delicious recipes that Tami shares with us and over on your Instagram as well. Where can we follow along?
Yes, you can follow along at bitemeindustries.com, and this recipe will also appear on Studio 5 KSL.
I can't wait to try it, so I will save, and you can do that, bookmark and save through our website. How many KitchenAids do you own?
About 5.
A color for every recipe is what it feels like. I'm jealous. That's so fun. That's so fun. Tami, we love you. Thank you so much.